Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 11, you've probably noticed the new right-click menu, and honestly, it's not very convenient for many users. Every time you want the full options, you have to click on Show More Options, which can be annoying and slow down your workflow. You might already know that if you hold Shift and right-click, the classic menu appears, but doing that every time isn't practical. So in this video, I'll show you a simple and permanent way to bring back the classic Windows 10 style right-click menu in Windows 11. Once you apply this method, the old menu will open instantly, no extra clicks needed. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu. Now type Regedit in the search bar. From the search results, click on Registry Editor. If you see a user account control prompt, simply click Yes to continue. Once Registry Editor opens, navigate to H-Key Current User, Software. Classes. CLSID. Now, right-click on CLSID, click on New, then select Key. Name this key exactly as shown on the screen, or you can copy it from the description and paste it here. Next, right-click on the newly created key. Select New, Key again, and name this key exactly as shown on the screen, or copy it from the description. Now click on it. On the right side, double-click on Default. Make sure the value is completely empty, then click OK. Right-click Taskbar and open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and click Restart. Now when you right-click anywhere, you'll see the classic Windows 10 style menu instantly, no extra clicks needed. If you ever want to go back to the default Windows 11 menu, just delete the key we created and restart Explorer again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next video.